nana
me dasi me na me wo adwuma mu na me titi se me nua kwasi ye yi wo I think so about TV ba ko so no aba wo so ni wudi enkombo na enye se bia me maintenance ni fully but the person me chia ni se se ma wuntumi adofo a omoti enu achi asem ne ba ye omoka se enipa woni no ni ye adwuma kakra ya woka ho se ene de omu nyina eye co accusers all of a sudden abino etimi ane ekoko akwatenase aye ti se ye no no sign contract that agreement no that we dey use no as a prosecution witness no nipa bebre yam hihye wo but number say me assure Ghana for ne chaba wuntumi adofo nyina se seven traders a wudi kan wo court ana wudi bim bitie media ko so baby o kan mani je ho le say won ka so kuda dance krumu etia chama wuntumi wo se asema de wonim ene wo koka what they say it do wonim no koka dia already na wonu ankasa no so plead guilty e wo court na me hope court 1 dan ye de mo call ye court 1
o plead guilty
sorry o plead not guilty so okay. I find o plead not guilty I said the court do na aban dia bolu nyina no oni for ho se ma wuntumi so plead not guilty it means wona na kuma mu wo jiri se wonye bone enti adanse be no be chama be tie ma wuntumi a eya ebi ebe so incriminating so damn say afede be de chama wuntumi ebe
na ohwe menene nkomodie no o se eda ye chiwo mu nyina ebomu na ye chiwo mu nyina abomu ne ko ba se so o mu mfa sika se we die eni we die nra no o mu ko fa ba na scanner short oni chama wuntumi die no 700,000 na ye ja chama wuntumi ma ne ko fie ne de onu ko shemu second time so no wa mu sa ba ye no ni ama chama wuntumi be no okọ no on de akọ anam so kura ma oba ye no second time na siewu ye free chama wuntumi na no wa antisa party man obi akaka se free ekoko now ena otietie nsam se de esi kono ne ade a wanhwe yi a se de omienu ko akotum a chama wuntumi ko bia na aban bia ba no ama no pardon wono de ni wo kwatwirim enti wono kura no attorney general no e kan asasam no kire no wadwene wo mienu ansa na wo sigina ye no se wo be prosecution witness na okan se wono de oye dia prinity isan se chama de ni modu wono no de na ekọ no se ko base asam no bon kura no a wanhwe a the sentence be so asen chama wuntumi enti sa no aka ena mbusa se adanse na wudie no se ekobo chama wuntumi ne de ne kotuma so wa yiwura ama wo se ebebo no ase mon there is for the court to decide ena eno so wo kire mu esa ena wo se onyi ni wura no so man nam se ba se wo se de entia ne ye mane bail no adabia ne eja chama wuntumi no prosecution ni hu se owo adanse he knows a lot. Kwame, we the last one I will carry. I want to show my kakra. So case prosecution in say he knows a lot in year money bill now. Minimum the oka and 170 because the last time I call court, no bill condition 15 million, I think 10 million, yes, 10 million with 3 sureties to justify. I want to use 10 million with 3 sureties to justify. Meaning I made that more court to court 1. Ye di etibu bomu ekoi ye nkrata semwa e se timi di mani bill ni na metwa ga se ma want to ni face kanu ene na dofu bi ene tuae ekoko de nkoa and by the time I yet secure the bill na ma want to ni na dofu etues ka no less than 500,000 Ghana cedis enye bribe so would Fred say what anya would kusi awowa no I was 8 years of war and the value at dino. It is a dying a year, the 10 million now. 1 by 0.5% of 10 million. 0.5% of 10 million. Kwame is saying 0.5%.
Put 1% of 10 million is saying.
1 million. Over 500,000.
Medasi. Therefore, you know, about what you now me hope you. In fact, you really know a dada year me ya. Maybe I got the million for several years. Me pass you really be cat the call, you know. I don't want to know. Match amount to me. Even the lawyers not there yet, the Basia before, you mean the lawyer, a match amount to the lawyer, a clock. I said, look, this is a better satisfied here. Last paper, your documents at the bag. You put the receipt BI camera. I feel could do register almost share no. A dino value no a year 9.6 million Ghana cedis. It is sort of about 400,000, 10 million. That time also no now about 48. Register the train and go follow me back on between my but that time no necessary if you that. Let's just say yes million no is under the pushing. I am a yapa man can't cry or one can say away. After that business here. The man won't be that day no quasa could be a million or more than 4 years. Nequasiada, yeah, you must lawyers no. Quasiada, ye one beshe, no mabayama, ye Jordano, lawyer discussing crime, echo kumase, HC the Paco class or Shrimpa Wuno, many are make a bread brand, I mean Tabi, and a Jorda. Many are not Timinianity. But between the Fiadano, and the Jordan will pay by and come up also baby at Wadano. And come up and pennyphobic call or any could see and come up. What you say? Messi Yawa the year last week, Wednesday, and I would you a China or tree. Many minutes, I 18 come up. Consider some pennyphobic here 18 come up. But would you do Lemusua in Yavi? Said what can was also pretty. A Bailuna AU is coercive powers. Okay, a final is coercive powers.
Oh, but are you so Mitia no or say a voluntarily and one and a lawyer saying Nipa be didn't come. Say, and the family voluntary. I bind a threat to the affair, and no one a call. I was in a call or per se or sa at the end of Quebec a minute. W, but when they make the approach, you know, I bind the approach in the face. Now, before I buy a bit to my customer movie, I get for exclusive business. I'm going to charge you with that. Look, one send you a better character, I got that one. Or one send you a better character, say, I somehow you double week. Where you will wait, over to my 15 years, my minimum be 15 years. Then I won't know. You was a man 15, won't quite a guy about 25 years. Over to my Kenny Nadia, over to that Uska. Before because no can say when you are reading portions of the law and we say empo a basse assembly bonwa obeti me akọ a year prison not less than 15 years. That is a new law. That is a new law. And minimum 15 years. Was what on police you fair. You cross ababawa. Oh, Miss Minimum. Me, I dear man, say, sir, yeah, dear be a borders on criminality. The Nipa be a yabo mukwedu, whether they are jointly or severally charged. Now, you will be a free accused persons in him. Say, your prosecution witness, PW1 or 2 or whatever. Now, the other can be me a mobile quafias you. Enti, Nipa be dinner hose. And your son, dear, where you knew Rama. What you say? Maybe my cat was say after Reno and a minute in Kasai, but I can tell you, say, he's battling with his conscience. That is how I feel it. Because many a corporate or several cases, in fact, now say quiet to moon, they go packet the car, and go to car free. Like I had his car keys with me for at least 1 week. I'm just portraying the relationship, minimum. And I can tell you, say, he's battling with his conscience. I dear, I'm on my no again, Mimi Srokakra, or man say ya on better to Bushim, or man some better to down for Fumu, or man say ya. And it is a will be a bone casting young could be. Meloka say, there's simply walk out on my. I tell you, because I me was a very could be son say. onyi ni say e bi adanse bi a wo de be ma prosecution no be ya adanse na bi a emu be do to the sense say one we are to end up say be anipa kro be incarcerated into prison custody and was say no de one day the onim no wokoka no ko onim and wokoka na say de obi betum say ebeja obi de ebeja chairman de for the court to decide.
Well, that I agree with him, but someone also the brand ko ye accuse no that the onim no ko beka ana said onim beka na e ba ko pe dia
because Sabra no ye accuse ni de Sabra no
the prosecution witness or the accused the beka e ba ko pe
na ba no Sabra na o ye accuse no wouldn't say yeah we use the adversarial system it is Sabra no ono no you na be provide the dance the ama prosecution say fediti ame the need what the adanse ba adanse a odi ba no ebetimi akwa against obi na wana na emi hunu
and o say ni tie ne say no wakwa agreement with aban ne say wo mwa aban no ye fa chema wuntumi ntum yes ah
was it there yes ah
ada bi ne court ko edey
also on case we odi adanse ame also on case we odi adanse ame yet na tum ne but adanse obey
ne chema wuntumi ja court yedey court na tam ne pai football na miensa betra pai ebetima abodro ana ebetima pai ebetima win ebetima lose so na miensa na court die asem na pai ubedi bem ana se ubedi fo what you say ye no ta beka che we say mi ya say oman no aye mi bia kwakun sa ya enya kwakun na aye oman no na aye ne sa be say aban no use its coercive powers and modi akwesi e we do ye no
say kwakun wo no wo mo frɛ wo but you are accused by himself you know a lot because one one can say prescription who say he knows a lot etim pa cho boy na efa dance bi bra ne ntimi go on with the prosecution of Chama Wuntumi wo say onu no pa enko be ka say there bi ba wo hwe ya ye ma bail na eja chairman no no de hu say obi a
bi sa sam no de ehe fa ne ma bail a eja chairman
oh ba ko
eda na ye court no ye ma wo de chairman na bail boom enya court na discriminate me pese ye nya ade no enya no correct the court has never discriminated against Kroko in favor of Chema Wuntumi court no ma omumiru na bail that day na me wo ho court 1 ye ma bail no I will say satisfied the bail conditions no in the course of satisfying no and I need the kakratike mu eti no Wuntumi nka say court no e ma Chema Wuntumi bail e lu jai Kroko kosi bu what the make na
was say mo nipa kra ya hankofo o mo mienu de o mo ba bati free Chama Wuntumi obi amu akua
oh ba ye no kwampo de ye no me say me traka say that one was even in favor of me nua akuoko because Chama Wuntumi no be oh yes Chama Wuntumi no be nimu no what you say one and the din wo so o mo e ka ho say ko mo o mo ya accuse no wo din pa ma bon take say ka fa ho dwane o so wo din ma bon take say masa you should thank your God say we am wo din kese wa bon ti mo bi say wo ka because the moment we did ba bon ti bi no afa wo school wo ko ye wo classmate wo be say wo ka ho let me tell you enye interview and the menu ekoko aye wo various media platforms so a met ma ka kire wo say enipa bebre they never knew him what was in his favor by yan baby o mo ka free Chama Wuntumi no that was Yoko asem that ekoko nka ho
yeah
mummy nke class me da be o mo ye free Chama Wuntumi flyer babontin ye no Yoko asem na ekoko enka ho so far da bia me court obi me hu a single placard of free Chama Wuntumi e wo court high court me hu bi it's no there for me a peripheral issue is neither here nor there what I say ya say ma e ka media me ekoko ya me mobo
how
yeah he has been put in a
oh say we pretty
pretty but and in a picture or mine no apprenti dia cheno wanye se beye we say oh
but sir when you privy to what chanced over there
oh please and
then will be to qualify from a typical 10 will be a accused no, so my mayor prosecution witness. In the case of a Dubois, in the case of a Dubois, all who say a buy and Ababa will be wounding, memory. One of the accused only a charge, a television body do about this or Kamu Modisika. A great area Catamon of Bombakai, almost my corridor charges. It was about the use of prosecution witness. Ghana Police Service wo NIB wo National Security wo friend say Yoko wo all these state apparatus security agencies mu nyina wo so mu nyina ntimi anya adanse pa mo den antia tema wuntumi a na one individual ya wone nam kaka mo bo ne charge afọ ne babe on ne babe ebe ti ya so de no animu ana
ba me no me nu kura yenim se bia no initially no kra no information o de ama wo ansa na kire bi a oba court a wa ba be gina so be dia danse enti hono na bia hwehwema so kakra ai mehu kakra
da bi say de kwa me ye ka say we be use to be as prosecution witness it means say wono de okodi ase matia wo bi wo
aha
wo ka de wunim but the wo ka de wunim no e wo say tia ba akono. Because it is the state versus somebody. It is the republic versus Semawuntumi. And now he is going to fight in the corner of the republic against Semawuntumi. Yes, that is.
Impliedly.
It can't be impliedly. It is explicit. It is implied. It is so explicit. Why is it implied? It's your American say. Minimum 7 years. Minimum at least 20 years. Very decent person. Because I come. Last year, for million masters with UPSC. Last year, million graduate with UPSC. So I've known you for years. Why am I more said the state and did not set tight corner? What you careful about you know? Now what lose what the but said the one also can you know, also pretty because on my not says why any do kotuma we say you bet you Japan what you call marriage certificate we be cheap. This is possible. And media may catch it and I want to me adofo say omon koma to me. Ghana asem sad madity. And
my member wa dear ba konso before say bia omobeye no ekokon prosecution witness no bia initially ombeto tuna no ebusebusa ne nsem bi wo kra nsem ombusebusa ne nyina no ombe record anya bibi say okay see ye no prosecution witness a ebetimi aboa yen ama case ye state in person ye tia chamabuntu no omaye onyini say sa de ne betimi so akoso
I just mean you sound like
okay
be very good. Now that I'm a we have a friend, Mr. Minque, prosecution witness, because I don't have any idea about Asabo Mokano. But now one and another to tell. I don't hear me fast by prosecution witness just because we Mukasa. I was saying one day a crook will be a before self prosecution witness. I said, no, what can I say? Near with someone we know, never much to say there were evidence that they find value in the Wakano. No more, some Wakano. Yet the combo accused person now, a better to the con and yet mean a successful prosecution. As far as I say, we get prosecution witness. Meaning, before I better to be a prosecution witness, it entails a lot. Me look at it, I will not be surprised if it's an echo. You may even need security protection. I'm telling you.
How?
Oh, there be no matter. My family may be in Yakro. I am telling you, say.
You don't hear security protection.
Me say, there be no state in the crowd man security protection. I'll be surprised.
What?
I have to give him.
Who would want to harm him?
Yes, no matter who want to harm him. Let us be realistic, Kwame. Young fast alone to be here. The who now will be a yasem. Now, when I accuse you, let us who be dance here if I call one. I can't make a woman to say.
We are measuring.
Let us be realistic. It's not a matter who wants to harm him. But as a memory of Kokwa, I can make demand the security protection. If he doesn't demand, I'll be surprised.
Tessa, the Amatian say, a be or crana abrofuri, Uba Bruchera, Ubia, the Obedia dance, and himself, much information or evidence, I'll be there dance yet, Tianwa. Ebia ne so ono akra nya obibi ababia ne wo mo penasem ne ade no might want to do something.
Yes, na from here titi ese no what we can obi ho asem. Na obi abehyew. Nipa ko no wonim no, but what can do for asem. What can do for asem? What can do for any asem? It mean America is there. So my man is security protected so far. I'll be surprised. They may even have to change his phone. They may need to give him a new mobile phone, including even a new number. They may have to give me a recording device to say, if I want to be only different now, one recording. It entails a lot, I'm telling you.
And baby, our Tian so I say, to Mrs. A woman.
It said, yeah, a criminal and I see about football league. Now, transfer season, yeah, the transfer season, yeah, who could new team? Now, the conditions at all. The here 7-bedroom apartments, the here baby, a walk a riverside. Now, it's here. So the state, I was a state to be satisfied, and maybe so that you be comfortable. But me, the dance here, I'm a minor. Me, I'm here, make us out as a crew. One was what I say, one for casting be a winning, which I'm trusting the set you winning your back.
Na de onim no obeka na de onim ebe kan betim de chama ko prison here.
But that is the ultimate. Is that not the ultimate?
That's the ultimate. Yeah.
I don't state in the court. Or court acquired. State in the court to say, chama won to me friend say me be akoko. Omo ye bibi etia wo man nemra. Enti wo so man e pan etwemu mi no aso. Na wo man say die omo gidi say e charge omo de ball say ma won to me akoko no omo pepa akoko ho enjura ne aye say enjura fita say da be obeta be ka asama ma wo man no nge timi dia boche ma won to me kwatu e de na koto prison ta na ase tere what the sabe be enyo because so far the state is in court a criminal prosecution. What is the ultimate aim of criminal prosecution?
So the
conviction.
Well, seeking conviction, yeah, sure.
No. Why we beating about the bush? That's why I told you, say, I'm not a good deal, but Tommy and also. What you say, if you hope I don't, what that was not, because Akoko is a very loyal person.
Pa.
Oh, yes, he's a very loyal person. Very loyal person. What the chairman and anti even though you're not breaks, but I can tell you, the last time I mean, said no one chairman to me, starting some Monantica crack. I think it's around 2013. What I say? Around 2013, that's an chairman to know hands on mining. So, hands on mining.
None of office what tema crack.
None of office what tema. So, no hands on mining. Look upon any year, Juma. Even though all my breaks are back, no corner or banya dadena. But you've known each other for years. Oh, it made the Metmark cancer still no a Koko is battling with his conscience. Then eventually said, I want to look at them on quite fear. How would he feel? I sympathize with him on that level. I feel for him. It made the state, you know. I say Obenya will be investigation, Eddie will be to prison, and I say be more than watertight evidence against the person. Who you see, say now, you pit people against each other, you pit families against families. Never be brave. Mr. Benoka said, meaning, I send me a walk out to Minion and Tiasa Attorney General office or local binimo and a people bidding como say, a kunu media dance and chair a yere, a unicodia dance and a kunu. They seem to be careful on that level. Make the measuring. More yes, I said that Mukoda dance at Yami, Mayere, and now Bukuna. Maybe I'm sorry that I was Moguno. It is a man go, it's careful, Kakra.
Okay. Mami na wase anope nua.
Miss Vedas kwabe.
Miss Vedas pa.
Na fie da ye jump se fie da wo.
Aya ye be hia ne awia abo.
E ma so fo mamu bi no afa ko wan ko piti. Ako bu ya kutia. Bye bye.
You Godwin na Sarvidia kum na ye ne no atwen komunoke 101.7 so any Eko banke se mimisa o se ye ka se the compound interest advantage any saying. Na yaka compound interest advantage any say ebia me siesika ana maketua fa Ecobank ana me business bi ma kan kire Ecobank say busumi bia me diska we bebere mo fa nye investment mame ensinwu abeba ho interest no so no mo san fa nka ho na no so san interest emfa mame won ma meye ne sa emre tintin bi so that ebedu bra me ko eye retirement no na ma mre nti yama me pension pay no na retirement yama me no na sa investment na me ye no so no boa me eno ene ye friend the compound interest advantage fa ho hyem na sie sika na ye investment towards ochina na obi nim de ochina de ebeba Ecobank the Pan African Bank na
nani
idea bi o menye education ketua bi
ose
me ye education ketua bi
yeah
say yo we are accused person enya wo na wo be provide the evidence edi ama wo adversary no and the prosecution no edi a prosecute wo wo a wabo me kwadu no ye hwehwe evidence in free me ho na wa frame o be ba ase yes wa ko wia de wa wia me se ha ma wia eti kenoforia tadie kura na edna kodi abruchi no wo pa wa beba wo bedru ya sam obeche no okay wo chi ni wie ya yes wa ye wie ni was menye so okay wonye idea ya ma be charge you for court okay it na be the state versus kenoforiata aha enti special prosecutor na wo di adanse wo no ebeba na adanse bi a ukuta ti se de bi a special prosecutor kuta no emedru court no eye untested evidence because e bi kura no adanse na okuta no bedu court wono nenye admissible.
I see.
Afei se prosecution ni yuti ahoma na abeyew eya prosecution ni yuti ahoma no abeyew eye
prosecution witness
say waja wasane wafrim sabra ne de wane wakasa wo hia danse afiri wo ho na bia nipa bia ye bom ko adu a yesemo ne nayo no wo fa sa danse no bra ni emfa nyina so prosecute wem betum kwa enfo mtum anansiki conviction na pa cho wo me ya accuse wa nyame na me dia danse be ma wo ba me yo prosecution witness na agi tumu a
obema madanse sa condition nti nam digina aso ayo prosecution witness me jao wow na one godja serbedi akon ko
ah was ye ma mabi fi adam mabi
no mere
ye ma mabi fi adam ye ko shia me god in shia
oso ma me mabi
ah
ye
ko wi abum
nane
yes
asam ya na making you on say ade ne de se wotna ho eye nhwe ha ma de bisi na ade no a you had the responsibility of ensuring say ade no masa no amade na ba na ye baba beka ade no a waye nhwe ha ma na ba no a on so baba betna ho ese me baba beka bi say ade na sai
se utie ya ono he has not been called to before a committee.
Where?
Ma, I mean, that's not now.
Okay, admitted.
Okay FM. Okay. 101.77.